So I welcome you back with the next lecture in the series of placements. And today we are going to talk about the placements and opportunities in VLSI domain. We will be talking about core electronics with our alumni KUMKUM Sharma, who is working as a senior ASIC physical design engineer at Synopsys. So KUMKUM, I welcome you on this
Thank you, ma'am.
platform.
Yeah,
Okay, so
thank you so
Kumkum,
much.
yeah, we would like to listen to your journey because you have done electronics and communication with us, and then you prepared very hard for your GATE exam. Then you
Yes,
cracked
ma'am.
it with a very good score. You went to
Yes,
NIT
ma'am.
Trichy, and then you were able to get a very good job at Synopsys. So kindly share your views and everything with us, please.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So, can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You are muted. You can start with your
Okay.
lecture. They will be asking
Okay.
you the questions in the last. Yeah.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss what are the career opportunity we have in VLSI domain. As you most of you guys are from ECE, so there you can find a like very great opportunity here. So So if you guys are interested in core companies, then definitely this will be a great opportunity or great domain for you guys. So let me tell you guys what you can do to get that core companies. First option is like you can directly get that core companies on your campus itself. But I don't know how many core companies do visit at your campus placement. And the second option is you can go for gate, because once you clear your gate, then there will be many more opportunity for you. You can get like PSUs. You can if you get the good marks in gate, then there you can, if you can get like good marks in gate, then there you can get the opportunity to sit for bark interview as well. Like you need not to give separate exam for bark. And also if you prepare for gate, then parallelly you can sit for the ISRO exam as well. So suppose if you are getting a in gate above 60 marks, then there you will have a many more opportunity. So let's talk more about how you can get the good marks in gate, because I don't know because I don't know how you will get that good core companies. Because either you should come from tier 1 college, or either you should have a like very strong profile, then only good core companies will connect you or will call you for interview. So so if you if you are really interested to get sit for that core companies interview, so you will have one option. You go for gate, you clear your gate, you good marks in gate. Then in colleges, like in tier 1 tier 2 colleges like ISC and IITs and NITs, you will get the like much more opportunity there. So firstly we are going to discuss. I'm going to tell you how I have prepared my gate. Like in 2019, I have given the first I have given the gate exam for the first time, and then in 2020 I got the good marks. Because in 2019 I was like not aware about the what are the procedure and what are the things I need to follow to get the good marks in gate. So what the strategy I have followed is I have written here for you guys. So let's suppose you have 6 months. So I have divided the whole 7 months in three sessions. Like in first session, July to September, and the second session from October to December, and in third session it will be like for January. I have given the third session. So in first session from July to September, you will have 90 days. So in that 90 days, you need to do nothing. Just need to do just what you have to do is you have to clear your basic concepts. Because if you guys are like thinking in this way, that gate is very tough exam and you are not going to clear that, it's not like that, guys. Trust me. It's a very like, if you are very clear at your basics, then the path will be very easy for you. So in the first 90 days, what you need to do is you need to just clear your basics. Just work on your basics on theory parts, and yeah, parallelly you solve some MCQs as well. But mainly dedicate that 90 days for your basics, to clear your basics. Okay. And in the next session, like October to December, in you will have 90 days. In that 9 to 19 days, you have to just practice your MCQs. Okay. And revision and all. And in third session, you will have 30 days. Have completed completely dedicated that 30 days for test series. Okay. So in month of July, what you can do is you can take easy subject which you feel that you are very comfortable, and yeah, you have a very good command in this subject. So in that case, what you can do is you can start with that subject, so that you will have a positive attitude, you will have a good confidence. Okay, you can do it, I have this potential and I can do it. Okay. So in July, mainly I have covered that control system, digital electronics, and network theory. So I found these three subjects easy, like not easy, but yeah, comparatively easy to other subjects. So parallelly, what the main things you have to do, guys, is like when you start preparing one subject and two subject or three subjects, so parallelly you should have write your short notes. This is the main thing. Okay. So just write short notes if you are if you are doing some topic, if you are going through some concept, if you are going through some formulas, if you find it like important, then just put that thing in your short notes. And one more thing I want to add here is like don't keep your short notes more than 15 pages for one subject. Okay. Like if you are going through that control system subject, just read all the theory or the numerical or all the important formulas, and whatever you finding the important thing in that from that subject, just keep that thing in your short notes. Okay. So that will be very beneficial. Once you done with that subject, then start just reading that short notes. Okay. And one more thing you can do is like at a time you start two subjects. ये हमें इसलिए करना है क्योंकि सपोज इफ यू आर रीडिंग कंट्रोल सिस्टम एंड like whenever you're finding time you are reading control system, then you will get bored. So parallelly just start two subjects, control system, digital electronics, and whatever subject you are finding like easy, so go with that subject. So at a time just start two subjects. And apart from this, do like one just give your 1.5 hour for mathematics and aptitude. As you guys know that like this aptitude section and mathematics section is playing a very very important role in our gate exam, because it's come it will be around 30 marks of question, right? So so there, from there you will get 30 marks directly, like if you are solving that aptitude and mathematics, because you guys are from electro engineering department. So I must think you will be very good at mathematics and aptitude. So please just keep your 1.5 hours time for aptitude on daily basis, and half an hour for general aptitude. So it will secure your 30 marks. Okay. So apart from this, just divide your subject in this way. Like in July, just complete three subjects and get your basics cleared. And in August also, you start learning three subjects like EDC, analog circuit, signal and system. I found that signal and system and communication and EMT a bit difficult. I found, but I don't know about you guys. So accordingly, you can you can keep the subject accordingly. Whatever you find easy, start with that subject only. And in August, EDC, analog and signal and system, you go through that subject, and accordingly you make the short notes. Just keep all the important thing in your short notes. And also all the time just try to improve your short notes. It's not like once you have made your short notes of 15 pages and you are always reading, you are always going to that going with that 15 pages. Okay. Always try to improve your short note. Always try to like what I'm trying to say is always try to mm, हमेशा आप उस शॉर्ट नोट्स में से अननेसेसरी चीज को हटाओ, जो आपको लगता है कि ओके नाउ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस टॉपिक, नाउ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस फॉर्मूला, सो जस्ट रिमूव दैट पार्ट and try to update your short notes on regular basis. And daily just daily basis पे आपको क्या करना है, always try to go through your short notes as many times as you can do. Okay. बिकॉज वहां से क्या होगा कि जब भी आप शॉर्ट नोट्स को रिवाइज करोगे, जैसे मानो कि आपने कंट्रोल सिस्टम का बना लिया, आपने डिजिटल नेटवर्क का बना लिया, आपने नेटवर्क थ्री का बना लिया, तो आप जब भी शॉर्ट नोट्स को रिवाइज करोगे तो वहां पे क्या होगा कि आपका बहुत लेस टाइम लगेगा और आपके सारे बेसिक सारी चीजें एक बार में क्लियर हो जाएंगी. ओके, सो
I
दिस इज
think
द
Kumkum, you have written the marks also on the top side of that every subject. Are these the marks?
yeah.
12?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell this. Okay, guys, in at my time in 2008 2020, what I found is like from control system I found 12 marks of question, 12 number of question was 12, and digital, from digital circuit it was around 9, and network 3 it was around 6, and EDC and VLSI it was around 12, and from analog I found that 10 question, and signal system 6, and communication system 10, and EMT 10, 2 I
Okay.
think, है ना. So
Okay.
what I'm trying to say is guys कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट ऐसा समझते हैं कि ओके ईएमटी इज नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट, बिकॉज जनरली हमने एक साइकिल देखा है कि फ्रॉम ईएमटी देयर देयर विल बी वेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ईएमटी. सो स्टूडेंट क्या करते हैं जनरली, दे लेफ्ट that subject, and they uh, they will be like more concentrate on that subject, which जैसे यहाँ पे आपका कंट्रोल सिस्टम एंड डिजिटल एंड नेटवर्क थ्योरी की अगर मैं बात करूँ, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल क्या करते हैं, कंट्रोल सिस्टम, डिजिटल सर्किट एंड नेटवर्क थ्योरी पे ज्यादा फोकस करते हैं, बिकॉज दे थिंक कि क्वेश्चन आर कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस सब्जेक्ट. ओके, बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग ऑलवेज. इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग कि आपका हमेशा एक एक पैटर्न चलता रहेगा कि आप कंट्रोल सिस्टम से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आपको आ रहे हैं, डिजिटल से ज्यादा आ रहे हैं, नेटवर्क से आ रहे हैं. क्योंकि इन 2019 व्हेन आई रोट दैट गेट एग्जाम ना, इन दैट केस व्हाट आई फाउंड इज from EMT only, I think I found 12 questions. और एक चीज और भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप जब भी कोई सब्जेक्ट छोड़ने की सोचते भी हो, स्टिल आप उसको गो थ्रू करो. क्योंकि बहुत बार क्या होता है कि बहुत ही बेसिक चीज पूछ लिया जाता है उस सब्जेक्ट से. जैसे मान लो ईएमटी से उन्होंने पूछ लिया कि मैक्सवेल इक्वेशन क्या है, मैक्सवेल का, या फिर कोई एक बहुत छोटा सा डेफिनेशन पूछ लिया, ऑन दैट टाइम यू विल लूज दैट मार्क्स. सो ट्राई टू कवर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट. मतलब आप बहुत डेप्थ में नहीं जाते हो, लेकिन स्टिल ट्राई टू कवर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट.
Okay, let's move on to the next slide, Kumkum.
Yes. So here I have mentioned some 3 points which I found interesting. So before starting your communication system, please complete your signal system part, because most of the concept from signal system you are going to apply in communication system. Okay, so try to complete the signal system part first, and then move to the communication system. And similarly, if you are going for analog circuit, so before going to directly analog circuit part, try to complete the network part, because most of the theorem, most of the concept you are going to apply in analog circuit. So try to always maintain the order. Okay, EMT, I'll suggest EMT start at last, because there you will find a more visualized question and more like theoretical question. So try to start at last. But yes, I must say कि like please आप सारे subjects cover करो. Don't think कि this subject is not important and that subject is important. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Yes, and always try to solve previous year IES paper. Why I'm suggesting this is because IS is IS. If you see the IES exam paper, then you will find the complexity or the level of the question will be less compared to gate. So you will be have like you will feel confident about yourself. Okay, you are doing this, you have completed this theory, now you have understanding on this concept. So it will like mainly boost up your confidence. So try to do all the this IES paper as well parallelly. And yes, what I'm trying to yeah, so in what we are doing here in first session, I have already told you that in the first session we are just trying to build our like basics. We are trying to complete all the theory, all the basic concept which are related to that subject. So our first our motive is to develop the confidence related to that subject, and we just want to clear our basics, and our fundamentals for that subject, for all, even from July to September, right? From July to September, we have just cleared all the subjects. If you think that, if you are thinking that you need more time to complete that subject, then okay, okay, you take 15 days or 20 days, but yes, try to clear your basics, because if your basic will be clear, then definitely you will get good marks. So in session two, what our motive is in session two, we need to just focus on MCQs, because as many as MCQs you will solve, you will get the confidence. Yes, and you will get the confidence, and of course, if your basics will be clear, if your fundamental will be clear, then only you will get the you will be able to solve that MCQs. So try to solve as many MCQs as you can. And yes, in session 2, like from October to December, also you try to solve all the MCQ from previous gate year book. And if you are taking any kind of coaching and all, so try to solve the practice set, volume 1 and volume 2. Volume 2 they will offer, I think. So you try to solve that booklet also, because that will be beneficial for you. It's all about clearing your basics and about how you are doing your practice, like how much question you are solving in a day. Or it's not about ki they will ask very difficult question. Nothing gonna happen like this. And yes, the main thing is just do revision your short notes as many times as you can. This is the main important thing. आप जो भी अपने short notes में लिखते हो related to that subject, please try to revise your short notes and try to improve your short notes. And in third session mainly, which I have dedicated 1 month. So in that 1 month, you have to do nothing, because you have already cleared your basics part, your fundamentals related to that subject. And in second session, you have already tried, you had already did many MCQs. So now it's time to take kind of real time scenario, how you are going to sit in that exam, how you are going to handle that pressure and all. So so in third session, like in month of January, you just focus on test series. Take any test series which you find easy or what. So you can take Ace Academy made easy. I took like Ace Academy test series. So made easy test series is also good. But yeah, I took Ace Academy because I took gate coaching from Ace Academy only. So I found that good. So what you need to do is in third session you need to just attempt daily or full length test. There will be, I think, a sectional test as well, but daily try to attempt one full length test. So it will boost up your confidence. But yeah, one more thing I want to add here is, guys, don't think that if you get the like low marks in your test series, so don't lose hope, don't get demotivated, because the level of test series and the level of actual exam will be very different. मतलब like level will be the gate exam level will be less difficult as compared to your test series. But yes, practice के लिए test series you have to give. And how to start? So as I already told you guys, start with easy subjects which you found easy. And I found control system, network, digital circuit, EDC and analog, and math and general aptitude you have to do daily. But start your preparation with easy subjects. And hard subject also you need to, like, you need to revisit your short notes again and again. So here I'm just giving the marking scheme, how it is divided. So around, on an average, I have written here like 70 to 72 marks you will get the question from core subject. There will be like 9 marks from each subject. On an average, I have written here. And 30 marks around you will get from general mathematics and uh, uh, engineering mathematics and general aptitude. Right. So this will be marking criteria. and and now we are going to see how you can get that 100 marks. Okay, so see guys, 40% क्वेश्चन जो भी हमारे पेपर में होते हैं, that will be very easy. मतलब बहुत इजी होंगे. यू नीड टू बी जस्ट वेरी फोकस. बहुत बच्चे क्या करते हैं.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की
सॉरी रजत, your voice is not audible. Rajat, could you please repeat again? Okay.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Kindly mute everybody.
Okay, guys. So if you see here that what to do to get that 100 marks. So 40% question I found that very easy. That question can solve anyone. Like below average, if the person is prepared for that gate exam, they can solve that question. 40% बहुत ही easy होंगे, जो कोई भी solve कर लेगा. And 20% जो question होंगे वो bit difficult, और कह लो आप मीडियम लेवल के होंगे जो सभी सॉल्व नहीं कर पाएंगे. द पर्सन हु हैज लाइक given attempted the many number of MCQs, they can only solve that question. Okay. So and 20% जो होंगे वो बहुत ही ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा तो हार्ड नहीं बोल सकते, बट या हार्ड होंगे. तो वो वही करेंगे जो बहुत ही ज्यादा अपने प्रिपरेशन को बहुत ही सीरियस वे में लेके चलेंगे, एंड बहुत ज्यादा एमसीक्यूज, जितने ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस उन्होंने की होगी वो सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. तो एंड 20% तो चलो कोई भी नहीं करता. हेलो. So, okay, so moving forward. So suppose for to get into any IITs, you need like 60%, 60 marks. It's general criteria. I found this, like if you get the 60 marks in your gate paper, then you will get good IITs or NITs. So for that, you need to focus on the first section, like 40% easy. You need to focus on your basics and all, and yes, try to practice as many as MCQs as you can. And yes, this will definitely make you to get this 60.
Thank you, Kumkum, for the gate basics that you have given to everybody. So now we are going to again meet with the VLSI ones. So generated. Thank you so much for joining.
Okay, ma'am.